Hello dear students, hope you all are fine. So I hope you all have gone through the previous 4 videos made on ISC class 12 history. Okay, so this is the fifth and the last one. So hopefully this is similar to the specimen provided by the board. So hope this will also help you a lot in your preparation. So let us go through it one by one. So you can do is that you can pause the video or you can use earphone. Okay, and you can go through it one by one. Okay, all the answers are marked over here. You can pause the video and then you can write down your copies even if you want. Otherwise, simply going through the video also will help you a lot. So let us start with question number 1. What was the provision given in the Government of India Act 1935 for the princely states regarding the representatives for the Council of States to be federal legislature? So option number A is correct, directly appointed by the princes. Okay, now question number 2. During its 29 months rule, the Congress ministers achieved in various fields. Choose which is not an achievement of Congress ministers. So I have chosen B, ban on illegal political organizations such as Hindustan Seva Dal. Okay, so you can just pause the video for a while and you can go through it. Okay, I'll scroll the questions slowly. Okay, though it will consume much time, but this will obviously help you in your preparation. Now let us move on to question number 3. Okay, in 1940 at Lahore session, Jinnah came up with the two-nation theory and declared that which among the following? A, separate homeland for the Muslims. C, separate homeland for the Muslims. Okay, now let us move on to question number 4. So here it is. Name the Congress leader who wanted to accept the Cripps proposal and principle of Pakistan. Who was the leader? So the answer is Rajgopalachari. That means he wanted to accept the Cripps proposal. Okay, next, number 5. Why was Quit India resolution adopted in 1940? Why was it adopted? So the answer is to compel the British to withdraw from India. Okay, you can see all the options are similar. I think the best option for this question is to compel, force the British to withdraw from India. Okay, that means they wanted to force through Quit India movement. Okay, number, or we can say, let us go through it once again. Why was Quit India resolution adopted in 1940? To chase the Japanese out. Okay, so let us go through all. Okay, so none of the above. Sorry, this is not also not there. So we'll stick to question number B, that is to compel the British to withdraw from India is the right answer for question number 5. Okay, now next one is number 6. Question number 6. When Subhash Chandra Bose arrived in Germany, he did not follow activities. Choose the correct one. Sorry, he did the following activities. We have to choose the correct one. So the first one is correct. He formed the Indian Legion and founded the Free India Radio Center. A is the correct one. Okay, so you can go through it. Now next, question number 7. You can see number 7. INS hope of liberating India from the British was quest because B, British army defeated the Japanese. Okay, the Japanese army was defeated by the British army. Okay, next one is number 8. Why did the British attitude towards India change after the World War One? So the answer is A and B. Okay, both. Britain lost its former power and position after the world politics. That is also true. Okay, and we can also consider this one. Member of Royal Indian Navy revolted. Okay, so A and B, that is 1 and 2 is the correct option. Okay, A and B, that is 1 and 2. Number is not mentioned, so 1 and 2 is considered over here. Okay, now number 9. Individual satyagraha of Gandhiji was the direct result of which event? So round table conference. Okay, so soon after returning from round table conference, he advised for individual satyagraha. Then next one is number 10. 73rd and 74th Amendment Act to the Constitution of India has provided for women. What has been provided through 73rd and 74th Amendment? D, reservation of 33% seats in local bodies of Panchayati Raj. Okay, so number 11. The Congress accepted the partition plan of Lord Mountbatten because, why did Congress accept it? Because Congress felt that British prolonged its stay in mainly to civil war. That means if the British stay in India for a longer period, then again there will be a serious issue like civil war in the country. So for that, in order to avoid that, Mountbatten plan was accepted. Okay. Okay, then next one, number 12. Who invited the Indian government to intervene in Junagadh? Who invited the Indian government to intervene in Junagadh? Number A. People of Junagadh invited the government of India to intervene in Junagadh. Number 13. In 1948, the Linguistic Provinces Commission was appointed to inquire the desirability of linguistic provinces. So accordingly, A, B and C, Dar Commission, okay, is the correct one. Dar Commission. Number 14, I have cancelled it because Kashmir became an integral part of India, because all these options I don't think suits these options, okay, because election was never held, constitution was never drawn, okay, constituent assembly never held election, so I'm cancelling this one, okay. So it should be none of the above. So if this is taken into consideration, I have to change a little bit over here, none of the above, okay. Number 15, Lal Bahadur Shastri was favored by syndicate as the next successor of Nehru, because why was Lal Bahadur Shastri favored by syndicate? Because wider acceptability in the party and keep the party united. Okay, this is also the correct one, and this one D also is correct. He was scrupulously honest, so we'll go with A. Party will also accept it, and that will keep the party united. Okay, A. Number 16, what was the other name of Quit India movement? B. August Kranti. August Kranti is the other name for Quit India movement. Number 17, why did Communist Party of India condemn the Quit India movement? So accordingly, it would weaken the British government in its struggle against fascism. Okay, so definitely the British government can become weak in its struggle against fascism is the correct one. Number 18, why was the what was the importance of 1967 election? What was the importance? So A, coming together of opposition. Okay, coming together of oppositions. Now number 19, which one of the following is not a feature of Mountbatten plan? So A is also the feature, C is also the feature, D is also the feature. So B, Northwest Frontier Province will be decided by legislative assembly. No. Okay, B is the correct one. Number 20, which of the following act of the British Raj was responsible to make around 13% of the Indians eligible to vote? So it is D, Government of India Act, Government of India Act 1935. Okay. The next one is question number 22. Question number 22. Question number 22 is, which of the following statements are correct regarding Royal Indian Navy? That is Rhine Mutiny. So the revolt started in Bombay. The main demand of revolt was to release the INA prisoners. So both 1 and 2 is correct. Okay, 1 and 2 is correct. Now number 22, which of the following leader is not associated with the underground movement and revolutionary activities in support of Quit India movement? So it is D, RP Goenka. Okay, and rest all 3 were involved. Number 23, who of the following was the Prime Minister of United Kingdom when Cripps mission came to India? So it was Winston Churchill. Okay. Then next, number 24, why did Congress Working Committee pass the resolution of conditional support for British during the Second World War? So why? That means struggle against fascism and democracy, because that struggle was again struggle, it was between fascism and democracy. For that reason, Congress Working Committee passed a resolution. Number 25, in 1939, Subhash Chandra Bose was elected as president of Congress Party by defeating, that is, Patabi Sitaramaiah. Okay, A is the correct one. So please children, you need to have patience. Okay, which one of the following chronological order of the given event is correct? So out of this 1, 2, 3, 4, we have to arrange in chronological order. So as you have seen, I have already arranged 1, 4, 2 and 3. First one is Subhash Chandra Bose as president of All India session of Haripura session, that is in 38. Then next, number 4, Congress ministry resign. Okay, then number 2, Cripps mission was sent to India. Then the third one, that is last one, is Quit India Movement or Bharat Choro Andolan was started. So option number D, 1, 4, 3 and 1, 4, 2 and 3 is correct. Once again you have to do the same thing over here. Arrange these events in their chronological order. So you can see I have marked it over here, B, 1, 3, 2 and 4. The first one, Nawab of Junagadh announced his accession to Pakistan. Then number 3, people of Junagadh did not support the decision of Nawab. Then number 2, people established a provisional government. And the last one, Diwan of Junagadh invited the government of India to intervene. Accordingly, the Indian troops were called in and plebiscite was held. Okay, 1, 3, 2 and 4 is correct one. So you can copy it down also, or you can take the screenshot of this also. Now number 22, arrange these events in their correct chronological order. Once again, in a chronological order you have to arrange it. So you can see I have marked it 1, 2, 4, 3, 5 and 6. Okay, so first one is 1, Allahabad High Court finds Indira Gandhi guilty of electoral malpractice. Then 2, Supreme Court stays the High Court order. Okay, then number 4, press censorship and civil liberties suspended. Okay, then number 3, Lok Sabha extended for 1 year, that is during emergency. Okay, then number 5, constitution amendment to protect certain laws from court, Janata Party formed. Okay, then last one, emergency withdrawn and Janata Party gains majority. So 1, 2, 4, 3, 5 and 6 is the right order. Okay, now next one, number 29, state whether the following statements regarding the emergency are incorrect. So number D, it was proclaimed due to the deteriorating economic conditions. So emergency was not imposed due to this. Okay, so this is the one. D, arrange these events in the correct chronological order once again. So you can see here A, 2, 1, 4, 3. First one is to Hari Singh offered to sign a standstill agreement, that was with Pakistan. Then next number 1, Pathan raiders infiltrated Kashmir. Then 4, Hari Singh signed the instrument of accession. And the last one is number 3, India took the Kashmir issue to UN. Okay, number 30 over. Now number 31, in 1948 Dash was appointed to inquire the desirability of linguistic provinces. So the answer is Dar Commission was appointed in 1948. Okay, Dar Commission. Then next number 2, government decided in June 1956 to divide the Bombay states into 2 linguistic states of, that is Maharashtra and Gujarat in 1956. Okay, B is the correct answer. Now number 32, Assam economic backwardness was due to its economy and resources having controlled by. The economy of Assam was controlled by, I think it is Marwadi and Bengalis only. Okay, bureaucrats they did not control, state also. So it was economy was controlled by Marwadis and Bengalis. Mostly they are businessmen and all. Okay. Number 2, the government of India agreed to grant full statehood to Nagaland. Okay, granting full autonomy in regard to culture, tradition, land laws, etc. Okay, full autonomy was given to Nagaland. Even Mizoram is also there, so we'll go with Nagaland. 33, in 1971 election restored the Dash, that means restored the Congress party to its dominant position in Indian politics. Okay, Congress party. You can take the screenshot. Then number 2, the rights of the Supreme Court and High Court to decide on the validity of central or state legislation was restored during Janata regime. During the Janata Party's rule, all these things was restored. Okay. Then next, let us move on to question number 34. The Sikh community wanted official language for administration and schooling, Dash script. So Gurumukhi script. Okay. Then number 2, on August the day Dash announced that Akalis would participate in the election. The Akali leader was assassinated by the terrorists. So the answer is H.S. Longewal. Okay, Har Singh Longewal. Okay, H.S. Longewal is the correct one. Okay. Then number 35, on February 20, 1947, British Prime Minister Clement Attlee announced what deadline to issue solve issues for granting of independence to India. So June 1948. Okay. Which of the following is not true of the cabinet mission plan? Which of the following is not true of the cabinet mission plan? So A is also correct. A is the part which is not true. So C, all members in cabinet are to be Indians. I think this is not true about cabinet mission plan. Okay. or we can go with D also, but hopefully I'll go with C. Okay, if you feel that this answer is not correct, then please tell me. Okay. Okay, 36. Allahabad High Court had convicted Mrs. Gandhi to corrupt practices and declare her election invalid. This means Mrs. Indira Gandhi could not contest election for 6 years. Okay, could not contest election for 6 years. Then number 2, which of the following commission was appointed by Janata Party government to investigate the circumstances that warranted the declaration an emergency of 1975? So it was Shah Commission. Okay, Shah Commission. Now let us move on to number 37. In 1951, the UN passed a resolution providing the referendum under UN supervision after Pakistan had withdrawn its troops from the part of Kashmir under its control. So the question is, why did Pakistan refuse to withdraw from Azad Kashmir? So accordingly, it claimed it belonged to Pakistan. A. Okay. What was India's policy towards East Pakistan during the Third Indo-Pak War in 1971? Military crackdown. Okay, definitely they decided to help East Pakistan for their liberation. So military crackdown is correct. 38. After the split of Congress Party in 1969, two factions, Congress O and Congress R, which party supported Congress R? Okay, so the answer is C. Communist Party of India supported Congress R. Okay. Then number 2, the objective of the syndicate was, that means what was the objective of the syndicate? So D, to take care of both the party and the government. Okay, to take care of both the party and the government. 39. So again you have to match it over here. So you can see here I have already done it. So 3, 4, 1 and 2. Bihar Chhatra Sangharsh Samiti, Lalu Prasad Yadav, that time he was the president of Bihar Chhatra Sangharsh Samiti. INA, provincial government. Hyderabad, Operation Polo. Then Stri Sangharsha, Om Sawa. So 3, 4, 1 and 2 will be the right match. Then number 2, which one of the following is not a chronological order? Among these 4, which one is not in chronological order? Jawaharlal Nehru, Gulzar, they all are in order. So this one, Khalistan, Golden Temple and Operation Green Hunt. So this is not in chronological order. Actually this order is itself wrong. Okay, so it should be Operation Blue Star. So C is the right option for number 2. Number 40, the most prominent leader of Mizoram was Lal Denga. Okay, Lal Denga. Okay, then next one, number 2, the Nelly massacre was a case of extreme violence during Assam agitation. Okay, Nelly massacre took place during Assam agitation. Okay, number B. 41, the National Commission for Women was set up by an act of parliament in 1992 to D, safeguard the rights and legal entitlements of women. Okay, number 2, which one of the following is not an aim of anti-dowry campaign? So number B, persuade the police not to register the case is not the anti-dowry campaign. Okay, number B. Number 42, which of these was not a cause of emergency of 1975? So MISA. Okay, this is not a cause. Okay, this act was passed during emergency. Number 2, criticism of emergency may be grouped as, so I think all. Okay, you can see here, detention of people by the police, forced sterilization, large scale illegal enactment of laws, abuse and torture by the police. Okay, so all these things happened during emergency. So all the above. Okay, so all the above is the correct. All the 4 I have taken it. Number 43, reason for the split of Congress party was all of the above. Okay, all the above. Mrs. Gandhi took control of finance from Morarji Desai, passed a bank nationalizing ordinance. Mrs. Gandhi supported Sanjeeva Reddy as a presidential candidate. So all these are the reason for the split. All the above. Number 2, which one of the following is not a result of election of 1967? So C, Mrs. Gandhi was expelled from the Congress. This is not the reason. Okay. So split. So we can go with the D also. It led to the split in the Congress party into 2 factions. Okay, this can also be taken. Okay, then next one, number 44. What was the key military advantage of India during the fighting of Indo-Pakistan of 1971 Bangladesh? So B, India surrounds Bangladesh on almost every side. That is why it was easy. Okay, B is the correct one. Then which of the following statement about the Grand Alliance of 1971 is correct? Grand Alliance means it was formed by all the non-communist parties and non-Congress parties. Okay, this one, A is the correct one. 45. Why did the Congress reject the August offer of 1940? Because it encouraged anti-Congress forces. Then number 2. Which one of the following is not the aim of cabinet mission? C, to encourage civil war in the country. They did not want civil war. Okay, then let us move on to number 46. Nehru appointed in August 1953 the State Reorganization Commission, which is known as SRC, to solve the question of reorganized states. SRC submitted its report in, actually the report was submitted in September. Okay, September afternoon, that is 30th of September, but the options are not over here, so we'll go with October 1955. Okay, then number 2, how many states and union territories were proposed by SRC, State Reorganized Commission? C, 14 states, 6 union territories. Okay, we are about to finish this. Number 3, the strongest reaction against SRC came from the state of Maharashtra. Okay, then number 4, the dispute over Chandigarh was resolved by making it a union territory. Okay, so Chandigarh is a union territory. Then number 47, Nizam of Hyderabad, according to the provision given in the India's independence plan, decided to remain independent. Okay, so on the basis of this, name the temporary agreement that was signed with Government of India even though Hyderabad had not yet agreed to accede to India. So it is C, standstill agreement. Okay, standstill agreement. 2, Nizam prolonged the negotiation with the Government of India too. Why they were delaying? To build up his military strength. Okay, number 3, Congress launched a powerful Satyagraha movement forcing Nizam to negotiate. Okay, so that they can negotiate and join with India. Number 4, Indian troops was sent to Hyderabad under the operation code name Operation Polo. Okay, Operation Polo. Okay, now last 2 more pages are left. 48, many organizations played a vital role in dealing with dowry related cases. Name the organization which made dowry a household name. So here we can go with Mahila Dakshita Samiti. Okay, Mahila Dakshita Samiti, but if combining all the Samitis together, it was formed Janwadi Mahila Samiti. So this can also be considered C, Janwadi Mahila Samiti, the amalgamation of all the Samitis together. Number 2, in which year Prevention of Domestic Violence Act, Women Act was passed? 2005. Then number 3, what is the primary problem with the dowry death? The bride's family tried to exploit the matter. That is true. Number 4, a journal that documented and analyzed women's movement fearlessly, that is Manusi. It's the name of the journal, Manusi Journal. Okay. Number 49, the political support of the Janta regime in 1977, however, began to decline, and in the meantime, Congress witnessed both the split and the revival. So, accordingly, which one of the following is not a reason for the failure of Janta Party in growing social tensions? Which one is not the reason? So, C, Janta Party belonged to the upper caste people. This is not the reason. Okay. Number 2, the failure of Janta Party economically, industrially, and agriculturally became stagnant due to B, heavy deficit financing by Charan Singh, finance minister. B. Okay. Then 3, President Reddy dissolved the parliament and called for fresh elections in 1980 because A, Charan Singh minority government was not supported by Janta Party MPs. Okay, because Janta Party was an amalgamation of all the different ideological parties. That is why Charan Singh's government was in minority and he did not get the support. A is the correct one. 4, Congress under Indira Gandhi came to power in 1980. So so after that, what happened? You can see here, Indira Gandhi apologized for the mistakes made during the emergency. Is the correct one. Okay. So now number 50. On Britain's intervention, the two sides agreed to refer dispute to international arbitration. So A. So number 1, the dispute in above statement is referred to military clash in Run of Kutch. Okay. Then number 2, the prime minister during this war was Lal Bahadur Shastri. Okay. Number 3, which country supported Pakistan with sophisticated military equipments? So which country supported Pakistan? So UK supported. Okay. Britain supported Pakistan with sophisticated military equipments. Then number 4, name the signatories of Tashkent Declaration. C, General Ayub Khan and Lal Bahadur Shastri. So hope this video will help you a lot. If you have reached up to the last page number 15, then definitely it will help you a lot. So this is the last of the MCQ questions from the series of 5 videos. So hopefully this will also help you a lot in your preparation, though the video is little longer. Okay, so this much from today's video. So we'll meet again after the first term examination with a few more new videos. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye bye.